In this captivating YouTube video, explore the significant impact of art on hospital design and its profound influence on patients, visitors, and healthcare professionals. Discover how thoughtful integration of art can transform sterile hospital environments into warm and comforting spaces that promote healing and well-being. Delve into the creative minds of architects, designers, and artists as they share their insights on the importance of art in fostering a positive and therapeutic atmosphere within healthcare facilities. Gain a deeper understanding of how art can enhance patient experiences, alleviate stress, and provide a sense of hope and inspiration. Witness the power of art in improving the overall ambience of hospitals and promoting a holistic approach to healthcare. Whether you are an art enthusiast, healthcare professional, or simply curious about the intersection of art and healing, this video offers an engaging exploration of the profound role art plays in hospital design. So guys, let's come to the point. Hospital design has come a long way over the years. In the past, hospitals were designed purely for function, with little thought given to aesthetics or patient comfort. However, in recent years, hospitals have begun to recognize the important role that art can play in the healing process. Art has been shown to have a positive impact on patients in a hospital setting. Studies have shown that art can reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, and improve patient outcomes. When patients are surrounded by beautiful and calming artwork, they are more likely to feel relaxed and at ease, which can help to speed up their recovery time. Art can also have a positive impact on hospital staff. Hospitals can be stressful and challenging environments for staff to work in, and having artwork on the walls can create a more pleasant and calming atmosphere. This can help to reduce staff burnout and improve job satisfaction. In addition to the positive impact on patients and staff, incorporating art into hospital design can also benefit the broader community. Hospitals can serve as important community resources, and incorporating local art can help to foster a sense of community and pride. When it comes to incorporating art into hospital design, there are several approaches that hospitals can take. One approach is to commission large-scale artwork specifically for the hospital. This can include murals, sculptures, or other installations that are tailored to the hospital's unique needs and environment. Another approach is to create a rotating art program, where different pieces of artwork are displayed on a temporary basis. This can help to keep the hospital environment fresh and engaging, and allow patients and staff to experience a wide range of artwork over time. Hospitals can also incorporate art into the design of individual patient rooms. This can include commissioned artwork, or smaller pieces that are selected to create a calming and restful atmosphere. This can help patients to feel more at home during their stay in the hospital, and reduce the sense of institutionalization. In addition to visual art, hospitals can also incorporate other forms of art into their design. For example, music can be used to create a calming atmosphere in waiting areas, or to provide entertainment for patients during their stay. Hospitals can also incorporate dance or theater performances into their programming, which can help to lift patients' spirits and provide a sense of community. When incorporating art into hospital design, it's important to consider the specific needs and concerns of patients and staff. Artwork should be carefully selected to create a calming and healing atmosphere, without being too stimulating or distracting. Hospitals should also consider the needs of different patient populations, such as children or seniors, and tailor the artwork accordingly. In addition to selecting appropriate artwork, hospitals should also consider the physical design of the space. Artwork should be displayed in a way that is easily visible and accessible to patients and staff, without being intrusive or overwhelming. Hospitals should also consider the use of natural light and other design elements to create a calming and healing atmosphere. Incorporating art into hospital design can be a valuable investment for hospitals. By creating a calming and healing environment for patients and staff, hospitals can improve patient outcomes, reduce staff burnout, and foster a sense of community. Art can play an important role in hospital design, and should be considered an essential component of any hospital's design strategy.